What's going on, Trader Gang? Good morning. Happy Tuesday. This is day 7 of the $200 account. So market's about to open right now. So let's get right into the charts. So I had already got into a trade early pre-market. So I don't know how it's going to play out because I originally had I took 2 trades last night, and so we technically did break our rules because I'm in this third trade right here. So unfortunately, we did break our rules, but I have a feeling gold's going to continue to push down because I missed this whole move right here. I got out because it was already late and price was pushing up. So, but I still think gold can push further down. So we're going to try to capitalize on that. Try to see if we can get the account to $1,000. I was $100 away from that. I think we can do that this morning. So that's what we're aiming for. So we're just aiming for a 1-to-1 right now. So we'll see how this plays out. So I hope everybody had a profitable day yesterday. So I don't know if this is going to reverse and go up or if it's going to continue to push, but we will see. So I'm hoping it continues to push down a little bit more. So because it easily could reverse right here because we're already at a low. So, but if so, we'll take a $111 loss, and we'll be done for the day. So, because we already did break our rules, like I said. So, but we'll see. We'll see what price does. Uh, 42.11. Yeah, price could push back up. So I thought price could push a little bit further down, but I think price is going to retrace back up. So we'll see. Just looking for a for a 1-to-1 here. And I wish I would have held it last night because I had my take profit right here at this line. So I would have had all this. So I would have had my account to probably like $1,100 if I would have held it. But it is what it is. Yeah, it looks like we might get stopped out right here, guys. So which I'm okay with. I shouldn't have been trading it anyways. So I'll take the L. Yeah, we got stopped out. Okay. Yeah, I knew price was going to push back up. So that's okay. So we're not chasing any trades, anything like that. I shouldn't have, got in at the bottom right here because I thought price was going to continue to push a little bit further down to like here. So this is expected. It's going to pull back up, obviously. So, but that's okay. So, but man, we had the account at 905, so we had it like $100, or we were only like $100 away from $1,000. So, but that's okay. We can come back tomorrow. So we'll take this little L. So, which again, this was my fault. I shouldn't have bought at the bottom. So, because price is going to probably retrace back up. So, but nonetheless, we're still up. Our account's at $796. So we were still up we're still up 190 something dollars because yesterday we ended the account at 605. So we're at 796. So I mean, I'll take it. So just to show you guys. So this was last night's trades. So we're still up $192. So because I took only two trades, so because these were partials that I closed. So $188, $62, $25, $25, and we just took a loss of 109. So that's okay. We're still up $192.49. So I'm okay with that L. The only thing that sucks is our uh, days our rules were followed. got to go back down to zero. So we followed it for 6 days. So we have to start all over because the goal is 30 days. So I took one extra trade when I didn't need to. I could have just stayed out today, and tomorrow would have been another day. But nonetheless, we're still up on the account. So, and price is starting to pull back a little bit. So I think price will push up though. So, because if it does pull back, I mean, I could have put my stop loss up here, but I would have took a bigger loss. So, which I'm not trying to lose all my profit that I made last night. So, because on these two trades right here, I mean, I made like $280 or almost 300. Yeah, no, like 300. Yeah, because I was at 600. So yeah, I was at 905. So yeah, like $300 profit. So it's all good. I still, excuse me, I still want this to be documented. So it's all good. So, thanks. We're getting a heavy rejection right now. We'll see if price wants to continue to push down. Yeah, it looks like we're getting a hard rejection here. And I could have put my stop loss right there. Because if it does push down, then it would have been in profit again. But Shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's all good. Yeah, we're getting a major rejection wick right here. Yeah, price is going to want to push down further. That was just the initial push up and kind of fake out. Yeah. Now gold's going to push further down. All right, guys. I can't help myself. I'm taking the sell. So I've already broken my rules. So I might as well make it worth it. So I'm putting my stops right here. I'm just shooting for right here. All right, the US dollar is still pushing up. So that's good. So we're going to see if price can push. Let's see. Let's see if price wants to maybe come down to here to 41.40. They'll give us a 1 to 2. So if it does continue to push down, guys, we could witness hitting $1,000 right here. So we'll see if price can come down to here. Right here. See if price can push all the way down. We shall see. So there's a lot of sellers in the market. They're wanting to push price further down. Price is wanting to push lower. So I'm going to take 50% off the table. Also, I'll put my stops at break even, and I'll just let the rest run. So we'll see if we get stopped at a break even. We still made back most of our loss because I closed 50%. So we'll just see where it wants to go. So if there's enough sellers in, they'll push price down. So we'll see how this 30-minute candle closes. See if it closes bullish or bearish. So we'll see right here at 7 o'clock. See if there's more sellers in the market, push price down, or if it ends up pushing up. So it looks like it's just trying to collect orders right now. It's trying to decide if price is going to continue to push down or we're going to push up. But I think the sellers are in the market right now. So on the dollar is trying to push down a little bit, which is going to push gold up, but doesn't look like it's doing that as of right now. So it looks like there's too many sellers in the market right now. So we're currently floating 935 right now. So we're like $60 away from 1,000. So we're just holding. So I'm trailing my stop loss heavy right now. So see if we have enough momentum to keep pushing down. So it looks like price is going to continue to, or it's going to push up. I'm probably going to close out right here, guys, as price is continuing to push up. I'm just waiting to see if we get a little pullback. It looks like we're continuing to push up, so I'm closing out. So I closed at like right here, I think. So yeah, price did price did actually almost go to my original TP, but so prices wanted to push up. So that's it. We made back majority of our loss. So we're at $877. So let's see. So trade wise, let's see. Let's see. Doesn't show the profit that we took, so that's kind of weird. So we did have a pullback on there. That's good. And we were at $930 at one point. I should have just got out. Yeah, I'll share with you guys. I'm trying to see what I profited, because we did profit like $40, but it only shows it only shows our trade that we took a loss of 109. So it doesn't show the other one. So I guess I'll have to wait, see if it updates. So, but we're up. So again, I think price just had a little bit of a pullback, and it's going to continue to keep falling. Yeah, the sellers are still in the market. I'm trying to push price a little bit further down. So, but anyways, I'm gonna call this live here and close out the stream. So I'll show you where our account's at right now. So we're currently at $877 on the account. So not bad. We were at 905, so we took a small loss. We made back a good portion of it. So we'll come back tomorrow, guys. Oops. So I appreciate you popping on. I know this is kind of like an early stream. I usually go for at least an hour and a half, but sometimes that's how it is. So you don't have to be in the market that long. So again, I appreciate you guys. Hope you guys made some profit or make some profits today. Stick to your rules. Stay disciplined. Of course, I didn't today. I ended up taking 3 trades. So we went a little bit, or we took 4 trades total. So we went a little bit against our rules, but we'll chalk that up. We'll reset tomorrow, and just our focus is to just minimize risk. So even though we made back a little bit of our profit, we took a small loss, but we're still up on the week already because I ended yesterday at 605. So like we're up $887 right now. So we're still up $270. So we'll be back tomorrow morning at a pre-market open. I'll come on at like 6:20, something like that. But like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my IG as well. I'll post all my trades on there. Nikki_Pips. I'll put that in the description as well. And we'll get at it tomorrow. All right, y'all. Peace.